Okay, hi. My name is Latricia Dale, and this is my volunteer today, which is Jay. And
Hello.
for this assignment, we will be completing an exercise activity and explaining what the system does within these activities. So at first, we're going to be completing the reading assessment questionnaire. Okay, and the first question for you today, Jay, is has your doctor ever said that you have a heart condition and that you should only do physical activity recommended by a doctor?
No.
Do you feel pain in your chest when you do physical activity?
No.
In the past month, have you had chest pain when you were not doing physical activity?
No.
Do you lose balance because of dizziness or do you ever lose consciousness?
No.
Do you have a bone or joint problem, for example, back, knee, or hip, that could be made worse by a change in your physical activity?
No.
Is your doctor currently prescribing drugs, for example, water pills for your blood pressure or heart condition?
No.
And last, do you know any of other reasons why you should not do physical activity?
No.
Okay.
So after sitting in a resting state for 5 minutes, we did the necessary tests for my respiratory, cardiovascular, and neuromuscular systems.
Okay. And after that, he felt calm, relaxing, and sleepy. His breathing rate were 4 breaths in 10 seconds. His heart rate was 16 beats every 10 seconds. What I did was 16 times 6, which gave me 96 beats per minute. Next, it says complete the following activities. Jog in place for 3 minutes, then complete as many push-ups as you can in 3 minutes. If you cannot perform push-ups for 3 minutes, do as many as you can until you fatigue. Okay. So then it says we're gonna write the responses that we got from the system during these exercises. Okay. Now, J responses within those systems that I noticed during these activities were slow and tiring. He was weary and worn out. His heart rate was 378 beats per minute and his breathing rates was 35 beats per minute. Jay was asked, how do his muscle feels? How did your muscle feel?
It was heavy, tense, and it was just like a really broad iron feeling. It was, and it kind of hurt because I don't exercise as much as one should. So
Okay. And it was a question also asked, were you short of breath?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
And it also asked, does your heart feel like it is pounding?
yes. I could feel my heart, and it felt like it was pounding from within the inside of my chest. And that only happens after I've done a lot of exercising or physical moving around.
Okay. And Jay was unable to perform the rest of the push-ups due to his body fatigue after 12 push-ups, ending in 50 seconds timing. Okay. Says finally discuss 3 chronic adaptations to each of these systems that will occur with long-term exercise. 3 chronic adaptations to each of these systems that will occur with long-term exercise are cardiac output and heart rate increasing during exercise and can lead to stroke for the cardiovascular. Last, it can cause problems to the muscles too much, can cause a fracture, and if not doing enough physical activity can cause stiffness and or give out easily. Okay, the reference is at the bottom. And thank you for this video.